Have you ever wondered, is there life in space? And if so, is it connected to us?
Everybody wants to know what is life and what is the origins of life. We don't know yet about the life is everywhere or not. I was searching for the important opportunity to answer these questions.
A group of global scientists embarked on a mission to discover the answer. To find out, they needed the untouched, material never altered by the Earth's atmosphere. Funded by the Japan Agency for Marine Earth Science and Technology, or JAMSTEC, and NASA, the teams crafted a special space probe designed to collect an uncontaminated sample from asteroid Ryugu. A carbon-rich, watery environment, this ancient asteroid was likely to contain critical clues about life. Years of engineering led to a single launch. The spacecraft traveled millions of miles, and with precise navigation, captured grains from Ryugu for the first time in history. Once it returned, the real work began.
In 2020, December, I went to the Australia Umero Desert to do the operation of the sample recovery from the asteroid Ryugu.
Handled like a time capsule, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And extraordinary research demands extraordinary instruments.
Robust measurement is very important. We are handling the $1 billion sample, okay?
Scientists leveraged the Thermo Scientific Dionix ICS 6000 ion chromatography system, the Dionix Ultimate 3000 UH PLC system, and the Orbitrap Exploris 480 mass spectrometer. These instruments unlocked Ryugu's treasure trove of secrets. The Thermo Fisher scientific workflow separated a complex mix, precisely weighed Ryugu's molecules, and turned a tiny sample into a surprising finding. What they discovered was exhilarating. Ryugu carried the organic building blocks of life: amino acids, uracil, and niacin, ingredients connected to life on Earth. Scientists also discovered special sulfur-containing molecules that may have helped build more complex chemical structures. The presence of these sulfur-containing molecules on an ancient asteroid suggests that the first key steps of life may have begun in outer space and later reached Earth.
And we found that chemical signature on the asteroid. That is a very exciting moment as a scientist, as an analyst.
So, could there be life in outer space? Did we discover the origins of life on Earth? Thanks to Thermo Fisher Scientific's work with these scientists, we're one step closer to finding out.
To the younger generation, science is very exciting always. They give us the deep insight of what is life and what is the Earth. So let's enjoy the science together in the future mission. So stay tuned.